He was born in the United States into a simple middle class family. He was just 6 years old when his father passed away. He learned how to cook to feed his younger siblings as his mother was away working. When he was 10, he began to work as a helper in the farmland and then took up a job painting horse carriages. He left school after 6th grade so he could work full time. Job after job, he sometimes worked as a conductor, then joined the United States Army for a while, then cleaned trains, and even worked as a helper in the railway construction. But one day, he got fired from his job. All this while, moving from one career to another, finally, at the age of 30, he established a ferry boat company. And the ferry was an instant success. But he sold the shares of the company and started a new one because he wanted to do something bigger. He established a company selling oil lamps, and the business initially started well. But another company introduced electric lamps and his venture failed. But he didn't give up. He again started looking for some work and traveled to different cities, but he returned with no money in his pocket. Later, he managed to run a service station for 6 years successfully. But then the Great Depression came and he had to shut down the service station. At the age of 40, he opened a new service station and also started serving food. People loved his recipes. The business grew big and he later bought a motel and converted it into a 140-seat restaurant. Time went on and he was finally successful. But when he was 63, his business collapsed because a new interstate highway was built which took traffic off the route where his restaurant was situated. The restaurant was auctioned in front of him. He was almost bankrupt. It was his biggest failure. But he still wanted to try. He didn't give up. He tried selling his recipes at restaurants for a cheap price. People said he should retire, but he did what he always did. He kept on going. He lived in his car for 2 whole years, but he was rejected everywhere he went. He was rejected a total of 1009 times. Finally, at the age of 65, he met a restaurant owner and made his recipe and served him his food. The owner loved it and said, "Yes." And now, years after that one restaurant, the number has grown to over 20,000 restaurants all over the world with annual sales over $23 billion. Can you guess this person? Yes, he is Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. If he would have retired or given up, there wouldn't have been any KFC. It's only because of him that so many jobs were created. We don't even try to achieve our dreams because we fear failure and give up. But we don't realize that failure is something that cannot be avoided. It's inevitable. So this year, let's all believe in ourselves and not lose hope, and always remember that no matter what happens, never ever give up.
Okay, so that was this week's video. Again, this was something completely different from what videos I usually do, but I found Colonel Sanders' story very inspiring, so I had to make a video on this. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know your thoughts on this video. And last week I had actually commented that do you want me to do some challenges? If yes, what challenges you want me to do? And thank you so much for the response. I got a lot of suggestions and I finally decided that I will do the Never Have I Ever challenge. It's gonna be super fun, so do ask your Never Have I Ever questions down below in the comment section and I will answer them next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and share all my videos. I'll see you next week. Bye.